said yummy, Ralph?
No, don't talk. Don't ruin the video. Ew, it's starting to smell.
That's a strawberry daiquiri lollipop. Just to let you know.
I wonder if he can fit in his mouth. Open up.
This is a very long video.
Alright, he's
like
over
it.
it. Hit end. Oh,
Oh, nope, going back for more.
ew, it's really starting to smell.
No, it was a lollipop and then he like ate the gum and the bubbles.
Mom, that wouldn't happen.
Well, he's talented.
Oh, I think he's gonna get sick.
He's
We should
fine.
probably stop.
That would be the end of the video.
Most watched video on YouTube? Anyone?
No, now he wants to do that. No, Ralph.
No.
Alright, end it.